Choosing the right AI video tool can save you hours and hundreds of dollars. Today, I'm comparing two of the most popular options, InVideo AI and Pictory. Which one should you buy in 2025? Let's find out. Quick note, I tested both platforms, checked their pricing, and I'll show you the strengths and weaknesses of each. InVideo AI is a quick, template-driven AI video maker that's built for speed, batch content, and creators who want easy, repeatable results. Pictory focuses on text-to-video and long-form repurposing. It's great at turning articles or scripts into a polished video. Now, pricing, this is the part most buyers care about. InVideo AI has a free plan with limited watermarked exports, and paid tiers starting around $28 monthly. Pictory starts lower at $19 monthly for their starter plan. Which is better for you? Choose InVideo AI if you want fast, repeatable, templated videos for daily uploads and social ads. Choose Pictory if you're repurposing long-form content like blogs and transcripts into multiple videos. My recommendation? If you want to produce tons of faceless videos quickly, start with InVideo AI. If you have lots of long-form content to repurpose on a small budget, start with Pictory.